Those are stiff. It should be like butter, but still this one throttle's stiff. Well, I think we need to replace some cabling because our throttle should be butter and it's a little stiff. It should just be real easy. And this guy, as you see, is real stiff. So what we're going to do is need to measure them, starting from right in here, and they run down that tube, which goes down in the engine room. So these are roughly 32 inches. So now I know from the top of here down, I need to add 32 inches on top of it. So let's go down in the engine room and do some more measuring. This is the door to our engine room. If you haven't seen it, it's got the perfect motto on it. Murphy's Law. Anything that can go wrong will at the worst time possible. So that's why we're measuring these cables, so we don't have the worst time possible. Going in. So here are the cables that come down through. And one goes back towards the transmission, and this one comes up right here, which is our throttle. So these are the two cables that we have to measure. So 32, 24, say 70 inches for the throttle cable. 70, what, 24, and 32. Can you remember those?
70, 24, 32. Got it. 70, 24, 32.
Okay, now I'm measuring the other one.
Oh. I'm sorry, I didn't know. I thought it was just one cable.
No, it's two cables.
It was just one measurement.
There's two cables right here.
I know, but I thought they were the same cable, the same measurements.
What? No, they're not. Because the other one goes right back here. Because if you see, I'll point to it. Right here is the end of the shifting cable. And here's the cable, so it runs back and does a loop and comes forward. So I'm having a hard time trying to figure out
the loop-de-loop?
Yeah. So, and of course where it's going to work best is in there on the floor that's covered by everything. Oh, that's 34, 24, 34. Another 24, 20, 24, 34, 24, and now this loop.
Cable measurements. So what's the next one you needed? Can we do the first one again?
Okay, no, I'm down here. And it's not easy, so no.
Cable measurements.
Okay, so that's, say about 2 foot, let's say 3 foot there.
3 foot.
That's just a guess, and we hope it's right, because these things aren't cheap.
Is that the loop-de-loop?
Yep, 3 foot there.
Or loop?
3, 4, 7, 8, 9. And we said up there was 32?
Yes.
9, 12. So this one should be about 12 feet. That's 24. Okay, so 9 feet and 12 feet.
A 9-foot and a 12-foot cord?
Yep.
Okay. What happens if you go bigger?
There's more of a loop.
Because you don't want to go smaller.
No. You ideally don't want to go bigger either.
Ooh, I smell dinner.
I got parts. I don't know what it will do. I've got an idea. I've got rope. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take this rope and make a bridle. So the hook is going to hook around the anchor chain. So when we put it down, it takes all of the load off the bowsprit. So it'll come to each port and starboard side of the boat, and we're going to tie off on the cleat. So it will be able to stretch and take the absorption. It's really hard to do. You get some rope.
How much rope do you need?
Oh, about that much rope. I have more than I need. Probably twice as much, but that's okay. You find the middle of it. You take both ends. And I'm using 3/4 inch double braided rope. Blue so we can see it in the water. Okay, there's the middle. So now we'll put this right in here. It's really difficult. We're going to take this, slide it through here, and pull one end through. Or not. Then we're going to take our hook, put it in here. Screw this down. That's our bridle. Done. Easy. So what you think about that?
That was too easy.
Yeah, I like easy projects like this. You can get one of these pre-made from one of our sponsors, Nancysvfreespirit Anchor. They make the bridles already made with a nice little bungee that goes across the chain so the chain doesn't pop out. That's one thing that could happen with this. That's a great way to do it, but we're trying to save a little bit of money here, and I bought this hook off Amazon. It says it's 3/16 stainless, but we'll see what it is. This ring we bought off Amazon for 3/16 stainless, and I bought the rope off Amazon. We'll see how long it holds up, and if it doesn't hold up, we'll go get one from Mantis. But this should get us on the anchor for a while once we get our windlass working. So,
Whoop, whoop.
project done.